Hello, everyone. Today I'll show you how to use Wrike effectively step by step in 2026. Wrike is a powerful work management tool, and using it properly can boost productivity and teamwork. First, set up your workspace. Organize folders and projects based on teams or goals. A clean structure saves time later. Next, create projects and tasks. Break big work into smaller tasks and subtasks. Clear tasks make progress easier to track. Now assign tasks to team members. Give each task a clear owner. Ownership improves accountability and focus. After that, set start dates, due dates, and priorities. Deadlines keep work on schedule. Priorities highlight what needs attention first. Next, use custom workflows. Update task status as work moves forward. Workflows give real-time visibility, then use comments and at mentions. Communicate directly on tasks instead of emails. This keeps conversations organized. Now share files inside tasks, upload documents and links where work happens. No more searching for files. After that, use timeline or Gantt view. Visualize schedules and dependencies. This helps avoid conflicts and delays. Next, track work with dashboards and reports. Dashboards show progress at a glance. Reports help review performance. Finally, review and improve regularly. Adjust workflows, deadlines, and task structure. Continuous improvement makes Wrike more effective. So yeah, using Wrike effectively means organizing work, breaking tasks clearly, assigning owners, setting deadlines, communicating in tasks, and tracking progress consistently. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for listening. Stay productive, and I'll see you in the next